So I thought I want to do an impromptu review of the Mission Workshop Duffle. This is the regular size one, not as tall, and I'm using it as a pickleball bag. As you know, I'm a pickleball player and coach, and I try many different bags for pickleball, and this one actually is not bad. Let me show you how I load it up. So they have these side pockets, right? And you can either leave the strap in or undo the straps. So what I've done is on this side, I leave one of the strap in, and basically I make this my pickleball paddle slot, right? So it just goes in, and the fact that this side is strapped down kind of give me a hint to point the handle that way. There are these pockets in the back that are very shallow. So I never understand why bags have these pockets. I think they're good for snacks if you're cycling or something, so I don't really use those. And then on the other side, this is kind of open, so I use it for random stuff. And what I like about this bag, of course, is the weather resistant, very padded, very large laptop pocket. So if I have to bring my laptop and stuff with me, I can actually put my laptop and my headset in there. And it's very well protected. Right now is New England weather. It's getting rainy and snowy, and I have used this bag to walk from the car to the courts, for example. And then there are these two big side pockets. They're good for water bottle. So on this side is where I put my 20-ounce bottle. The other side, usually I leave my socks in here. And then I can also dump my phone in there. So one thing about this bag is there's really no place to put a phone. Putting a phone here actually is not ideal because I have to go fish for it. And then as you can see, I set it up so that on one side I have all this stuff dangling down, and remind me that this is the front side when I carry it over my shoulder. So this is the front side, back side is water bottle and the handle. Inside is one giant space, right? Change of clothes, sling with stuff, balls, my goggles. So there are 4 equal-sized deep pockets, and then I just use one of them for my goggles. And then sometimes I would throw other things in there depending on what else I'm carrying. Today I'm a light load. A shoe goes in there, and once I put the shoes in there, I have a shoe bag. It's full, it goes in there. It actually gets pretty full. So to me, because I carry a lot of stuff, the bag is just big enough. But I think for regular use, if you are not carrying a lot of supplies, this bag is actually really good. And the handle is webbing, nice and thick. It is a little slippery, so sometimes it does come off. It has this really cool mechanism that you can very quickly adjust the length, which is both good and bad. I'm used to it now, but a lot of times it will get moved without me realizing it when I put the bag up. And now I always check, and I just set it up to the right length. So far so good. I could use a little bit more space, but then I don't want the tall version. So not sure. The only thing that, as I said, I wish we have is some kind of external smaller pocket that is good for a phone. You know, something up here. Throwing it in here again, I have to go fish for it because it's very deep. But so far, I'm very satisfied with using this as my pickleball bag, and I use it pretty much at least once a day.